Good morning, students. Our today's topic is types of friction. The first type of friction is static friction. It is the friction exerted by the surface in contact to keep that object at rest. So unless and until static friction will act on any object, it will remain at rest. Second type of friction is kinetic friction. It is a type of friction that is exerted by the surface in contact when the object starts moving or it moves. So kinetic friction acts on the object when it moves, and static friction acts on the object when it is at rest. The next type of friction is limiting friction. Limiting friction is that force of friction which acts when the object just starts moving over the surface in contact. We can say it is the maximum value of static friction. As the static friction goes on increasing, one time comes that when force increases with that friction, the object starts moving. That friction just after which the object starts moving, that friction is called limiting friction. Other type of friction is rolling friction. As the name suggests, this friction acts when an object rolls over the surface in contact. The commonest examples are wheels. You can see in the given picture. The wheels move forward by a special way of rotation, that is rolling. And when the object rolls over a surface, then that surface exerts a friction, and that friction is rolling friction. And the last type of friction is sliding friction. This friction is exerted by the surface in contact when an object moves by sliding on it. You can see the example of sliding friction in the given picture. So I think it must have become clear to you what are the different types of friction. We have divided the different types of friction on the basis whether it is at rest or it is in motion. If the friction is acting when the object is at rest, then it is static friction. When friction is exerted when the object is in motion, that friction is kinetic friction. The types of kinetic friction, again there are two types. One is rolling friction and the second one is sliding friction. These are both the examples of kinetic friction, because in both the friction the object undergoes movement. So when the object moves by rolling, that friction is rolling friction. When the object slides over the surface, then the friction which comes into existence, that is sliding friction. Now at last I would like to ask a question to you. You must think and tell me, out of static friction and kinetic friction, which one will be greater in magnitude or value? Which is the greater friction, static friction or kinetic friction? And then among rolling friction and sliding friction, which friction will be greater? This we will discuss in our next class. That's all for today. Thank you.